Hi there. So today we'll be talking about oxidation. So normally when we hear oxidation, what comes to our mind? Addition of what? Oxygen. Yes, that's the first definition of oxidation. So you can see in this chemical equation that calcium has been what? Oxidized, because oxygen has been added to calcium. But apart from the mere addition of oxygen, you've heard of oxidation number before, right? Yeah, let's bring that here. When an atom loses an electron, when it loses one electron, it becomes what? It has the oxidation number what? +1. When it loses two electrons, it has oxidation number what? Plus what? +2. And you can see that the more it is losing electron, the more the what? Oxidation number is what? Increasing. So the loss of electron is increasing the oxidation number. So we can also call this what? Oxidation. This brings us to the second definition of oxidation as the what? Loss of electron. That means the opposite of it, that is non-metals accept electrons, right? You can see that it was first 0, no oxidation number, and then it now drops to -1, and then it now drops to -2, drops. So the more it is accepting electron, the more the oxidation number is what? Reducing. So we call this reduction. So oxidation is the loss of electron, and reduction is what? The gain of electron. Now apart from this, we can also define oxidation as the removal of hydrogen. Okay, so generally when you remove hydrogen from an element, that is, you detach hydrogen from another element, we say that that element has been what? Oxidized. So if you look at this compound now, the element we are focusing on here is what? Chlorine. If I remove hydrogen from chlorine, we say that what? Chlorine has been what? Oxidized. Say that chlorine has been oxidized. So you can also look at this from the eye of loss of electron. Now when hydrogen and chlorine were bonded together, that is ionic bond, right? So an electron of hydrogen was lost initially to what? Chlorine. So chlorine is having the electron of hydrogen to bond here. So for them to separate, chlorine will have to give back that electron to hydrogen. So chlorine losing that electron back to hydrogen to become its original chlorine is what? Oxidation. Chlorine has lost electron back to hydrogen. So that is what? Oxidation. So we can also look at the reverse of this as when hydrogen comes together with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, as what? Reduction of what? Chlorine. Because if you look at hydrogen coming back to chlorine, you can see that hydrogen will have to what? Give back electron to chlorine. So chlorine gain electron is now what? Reduction. So the forward reaction is oxidation of chlorine. The backward reaction is reduction. Alright, so these are the definitions of oxidation, and anything opposite to this is reduction. So a quick quest. Oxidation is also defined as the addition of electronegative elements and the removal of electropositive elements. Can you explain this with the idea of loss of electrons? And leave your answer in the comment section. Hello, I'm Wisdom. If you love the video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if this is your first time here, then don't hesitate to subscribe to join the Wisdom Analysis community, a place where we make chemistry easy and fun. God bless.